Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking about leaf manipulation. Aspidistra is one of the easiest, and this technique, fast and easy. Simply take a single U-glue dash and then adhere it to the back of the leaf. Pull off your tab. Then simply roll the tip of the leaf down, adhering it to the glue. And you've got a fun little accent to tuck into an arrangement. An added bonus, you have a bad leaf with brown spots, it's never going to show. It'll be rolled inside. Now you know how the pros do it.